Hello Year 8 and welcome to week 2 of term 4. This video is going to be discussing lesson number 3, which is volume of triangular prisms. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what is volume. Now volume is the capacity of an object. How much can an object hold within it? So if I look at a mug, how much liquid or how much can that mug fit? Usually we'd say like 500 milliliters, for example, which is the same as saying 500 centimeters cubed. So volume is all about capacity, how much an object can hold. In this lesson, we're going to look at how much the volume of a range of different triangular prisms are. Now, the way we do this is we use this formula, V, which stands for volume, is equal to half base times height times length. So when you've got all the letters stuck together, remember in algebra, they are actually joined by an invisible multiplication sign. So all of these are multiplied by one another. Now before we move on, imagine you have an exam one day and you're like, oh, I forgot the formula. Don't worry. Because essentially, this formula is following the same principle as you had in the last lesson, where you were multiplying the area of the face, so the front face of the object, by its length. It's the same thing. So if you remember a long time ago, we looked at the area of triangles as being half times base times height. So the area of triangles is half times base times height. So half times 8 times 3. Half times 8 would be 4. And then 4 times 3 would be 12. So for example, the area of this one will be 12. Now once you've found the area of that front face, you just multiply your answer by the length and that gives you your answer. So that is a very basic explanation of how to find the volume of a triangular prism.